Hello everyone. This video introduces the usage of a 7-inch touchscreen AHD wireless vehicle rearview system. M175W monitor can adjust the angle. Install an SD card into the card slot. SD card can be locked with a key. Connect the monitor power cable. Place the matching wireless cameras in their respective locations. For ease of demonstration, we have placed different images for each camera group. Like this. Click the center area of the screen to open the menu. Click the icon at the bottom left to enter the pairing interface. Click on the Cam 1 icon. Turn power on Cam 1. When the prompt above turns into a check mark, the pairing is successful. It can be also paired in Cam 2. Repeat the above operation. Swipe left or right to switch the display area. It can switch display perspectives angle. Click on the screen corresponding to the split angle of view. The corresponding screen can be switched to full screen display. Click on the center area of the screen to open the menu. Click the corresponding icon in the menu. It can also complete the corresponding lens switching. To split. For CH split. Cycle loop display. Click on the sound icon. It can set the corresponding camera's sound. In the record settings, set the recording file length. Set the system time. Adjust parking line. Control whether to trigger the camera when reversing. Click to set the reversing reference line. Auto scan. It can set up a looped display switching time for each camera. Trigger settings. Camera settings. The camera can be set to mirror the screen. Adjust camera parameters. The parameters of each camera can be set separately. Dual view. It can set any two camera angles that need to be displayed. Quad view. Set any camera display position. System settings. It can adjust the brightness of the backlight. Automatic backlight setting. When the automatic backlight is turned on, the light sensor will automatically adjust the backlight intensity according to the current ambient light. It can change different languages. Set the screen displayed directly after booting. Open playback menu. The video file of the associated camera is displayed here. Recording time. Open 1. Select the left for CH split. You can play back the images of 4 cameras at the same time. Select the right side to play the current video file in full screen. Click the record button to start and stop recording. All settings and operations can be completed on the wireless remote control. More convenient to use. Long press the power button to lock or unlock touch controls. Prevent accidental touch.